Thank you very much for taking time out this morning. As the title suggests, we're going to be talking about 3 ways of supercharging your finance function. Quite a bold statement, I know. With regards to SAP, we have been associated with SAP for about 4.5 years now. Currently, as we stand, we are a gold partner, and aside from being able to carry that lovely little badge on the right-hand side, what does that actually mean? It means that we provide, obviously, a fair amount of business for SAP, but more importantly, we maintain a certain amount of education and referenceability within our customer base.
I don't want to be messing about with instructions and training. I just want to go in and start, looking at this data. So if I want to look at, my business performance, I can just click on that tab there and it takes me to the relevant view. The data's already there, it's presented for me. It's showing me the key information.
It's really where SAP can be used around the world in different types of industries, different types of locations, different types of situations.
Identify potential governance matters.
Put in the kind of schematics or the gimmicks of the Formula 1 car to one side. What is this actually showing us? Well, what do we do with them? Well, we provide all of the technology and all of the telemetry capability reading software in real time. It's the HANA platform, or platforms should I say, because there are multiple of them, which take all the information from the car, the driver, etc. It's crunched over in Woking and then delivered to the pit wall. Oil and gas, for example, with BP. The same concept is used there. Okay, yeah, they don't drive a Formula 1 car around a rig, for example, but all of the flow of all of the fluids and everything that's going around an oil rig. So we have telemetry readings on pumps before and after, and those are being pumped to us in real time.
Yeah, the lady who has been through the implementation, that was really interesting to find out how it all works and how she survived.
If the reports are designed dynamically, as Kieran was explaining, when the new entity is set up, that will then automatically appear on your reports, whereas before is what I was having to do was to go through a load of Excel reports, insert a row, copy the details down, sometimes amend the subtotals depending on whereabouts in the structure it was set up, so that has saved me quite a lot of time.
It was really good, very interesting. As I said, we're a current BPC user, so actually seeing the capabilities of what the software can do and other bits of SAP products have been brilliant. So it's definitely something that we were interested in looking at. Now I've kind of seen it and spoke to the other clients as well that Rinedata have. It's kind of made me feel a bit more comfortable with kind of investing more in the software.
I think the main thing that impressed me was the kind of the way that they interact with the companies they've worked with, and how they seem to go the extra distance to kind of really understand that company before they start to try and sell the technology.
It was good to meet other people in similar situations, to us in our organisation. It was interesting to see that everyone's having the same sort of problems. So that was, it was really good to know you're not the only one who's struggling.
Version 10 is not something that we're not on the version 10 platform at the moment, so seeing what version 10 could do is definitely beneficial, and also all the SAP BI and predictive stuff is definitely kind of got the wheels turning in my mind in terms of what we could use it for.